Kumustahon ta ang mga latest updates sa NCAA Season 97 kauban ng duha sa mga bagong courtside reporters, ang small but terrible reporter ng Samar nga si Ann Michelle Gabriel and ang charming reporter ng Quezon City nga si Chase Orozco. Mayong buntag, Ann and Chase, at welcome dito sa GMA Regional TV Live. Girls, pakibati naman nating mga kapuso dito sa Central and Eastern Visayas.
Yes, maayong buntag po sa lahat po ng mga kapuso natin na nanonood ngayon sa Central and Eastern Visayas. Mrs., magandang hapon, magandang umaga sa iyo, and we are excited and thrilled to be spending our morning with you. Ann?
Yes po, maayong buntag, Mrs. And to all our kapuso out there in Central Visayas, sana mag-visit ko po kayo soon. Hopefully, excited na rin kayo for NCAA Season 97.
Oh yes, we are excited at game on na kami sa NCAA Season 97. Kaya naman, Ann, bilang ikaw ang small but terrible reporter ng Samar, isa ka palang paralegal law student. Paano mo ba magagamit itong pagiging law student mo sa pagiging courtside reporter mo as well?
Ang small but terrible reporter ng Samar.
Yes po. Well, as a law student, aside from, learning the law, I guess we were also trained to speak well, to have confidence in ourselves, to be confident when you do public speaking, and also when you write stuff.
And ikaw naman, Chase, bilang the charming reporter ng Quezon City, paano mo ba magagamit yung charms mo bilang isang courtside reporter ng NCAA?
Ang charming reporter ng Quezon Province.
Of course, I'm very flattered po na yun po yung, kumbaga tinawag sa akin ang charming reporter ng Quezon Province. Pero more than anything po, I think it's also the previous experience I had po with NCAA. I used to be a courtside reporter for the NCAA Season 94. So, feeling ko malaki din pong factor yun dahil meron na po akong, kumbaga, experience sa pakikipag-usap sa mga players, sa pakikipag-usap sa mga coaches, sa audiences, and yung pag-susulat po ng reports.
After a very rigorous audition and training and workshops, girls, how proud are you to be a part of NCAA Season 97?
Very proud po, sobra. We all know how NCAA is loved by many Filipinos, by our kapuso out there. So, especially now na it's coming back live 2 years, after 2 years, eto na ulit.
I agree with Ann. Ako din, on a scale of 1 to 10, talagang 10 yung pagiging proud ko, of course, not just for myself, but for the entire NCAA management. Proud kami sa lalabas na NCAA Season 97 kasi talagang pinaghandaan po to.
And with that, hindi namin palalagpasin ang moment na ito na hindi kayo magbibigay ng mga pasample na flash report ala courtside reporter. So eto, Ann, kunwari may nag-aaway na mga fans o audience sa gitna ng isang laro, paano mo ba ito ire-report?
Okay, nag-aaway, guys, mga kapuso. Okay. And yes, we are still here live at the NCAA Season 97. At ngayon po, unfortunately, may mga fans na hindi nagkakaintindihan. Medyo nag-aaway po na fans ng magkabilang panig, magkabilang teams for today's game. Nevertheless, we are hopeful that at the end of this game, these fans will be able to reconcile and be at peace with each other because tandaan po natin, even if we have different teams, even if we are competing against each other, we are still one NCAA. Back to you guys.
Galing ni Ann! Ayan. Ikaw naman, Chase, kunwari may isang player na nakakashoot ng sunod-sunod na mga 3-point shots, paano ba ito ire-report?
Sige po, sample to ng yung mga nakakatres lagi, no? Mrs., just when they need it the most, nagpaulan ng tres ang CSB Blazer na si Prince Carlos with 2 minutes remaining ngayong 4th quarter of the game. Lalong dumikit ang laban kung saan 3 puntos na lang ang lamang ng CSB Blazers and with no timeouts left for their opponent, the San Beda Red Lions. And fun fact, para sa ating mga kapuso, nakita ko na with my very own eyes na kaya din ni Prince Carlos ang mag-shoot sa half court. Will we see that kind of play from him today? Yan ang dapat nating pakaabangan. Mrs.?
Aba, 3 points din for you, Chase, and for Anne. Ang galing yun namang dalawa. Galing. Thank you, girls. Kaya naman, please tell us kung bakit dapat patuloy kaming manood ng NCAA Season 97.
Yes, please mga kapuso, patuloy niyo po sanang panoorin at suportahan ang NCAA Season 97 dahil makikita niyo po kung gaano kagaling at kahusay ang mga student athletes dito po sa liga na to.
Yes, mga kapuso, please continue to support and watch the NCAA Season 97 because hindi lang para sa aming mga courtside reporters but of course to our very talented NCAA players and coaches and teams, maraming mga bago kayong makikita this season.
Before we say goodbye, ano yung mensahe na gusto yung iparating sa ating mga kapuso dito sa Central and Eastern Visayas?
Yes, sa mga kapuso po natin sa Central and Eastern Visayas, suportahan niyo po ang NCAA Season 97. Mag-start po yan o nag-start na po yan ng March 26, 2022 at lagi niyo po kaming mapapanood sa GMA and GTV.
Yes po mga kapuso from the Center and Eastern Visayas, please, tutok lang po kayo sa NCAA Season 97 because lahat ng excitement, thrill, lahat ng emotions, dito niyo po mararamdaman.
And thank you din sa inyo, Anne and Chase, and congratulations once again.
Thank you po.
Thank you, girls.